I'm Dave Etter with DK&R Designs. Each and every custom home project goes through the phases we are about to cover. Although some clients and builders do them in different orders, which often leads to disaster. Our process is proven, and it starts in the very first phase with learning about you and your hopes and dreams for your home and your lifestyle and your family. All of these phases are done by us for our white glove service. At the same time we learn about what you want from your project, we ask questions about and learn about your project's feasibility, location, styles, and we look at pictures of things you love and things you don't. A lot of background research happens here. Along with learning about your project and your space needs, we look at the property where your home is going to optimize the layout for you, your family, the way you will use the home and surrounding property. This is an important step many people leave out by just placing the home where there's a nice view. There's so much more to it than that. On to phase 2. Here the schematic designs begin, sketches and models if need be, to test ideas and concepts of the design. Some of this starts in phase 1. The client feedback on concepts is a continual process. Refinements happen, more details emerge. Preliminary floor plans begin to happen. Exterior and interior design concepts happen. Phase 2 often involves renderings from pictures the clients love with newly incorporated design knowledge added. Now we get into phase 3. Design development gets into much more detail. Significant refinement and advancement of the designs happen here. Interior designs begin to happen in conjunction with plans. Engineers are involved. Budgets move from overall budget estimates into preliminary cost analysis and more specific budgeting by project sections. Chosen builders are involved at this stage to offer input into preliminary costs. Exterior living spaces are taken into account. Many material and finish choices are made here for both inside and outside. Now phase 4 begins. In phase 4, the plans have been finalized and all finished schedules complete with specs, dimensions, details, and sections are done and ready to go. The details are all complete. We are now able to communicate the specific, precise design to the general contractor. The engineering is done, bids are coming in, then the contractor and any specific suppliers and artisans are chosen. Phase 5 is where you really see things happen. All the prior work begins to pay off here. The vertical construction process begins. Project management is ongoing. Our role here is either advising the client, if they have a more active role, on milestones of the project and keeping the schedules with the GC, or we're checking in on progress ourselves or with the client while following the budget and adjusting accordingly for price variations throughout the build. Any adjustments or add-ons needed to the plans are done during this time as well. Changes are designed and bid if required because sometimes life changes for clients during construction. Phase 6 starts and the final push begins. After all the rough-ends are complete, the installation is done by the subcontractors, the final push begins. This is a very busy time on site. Wall finishes are applied. Doors, trim, cabinets, countertops, fixtures, specialty designs for wine coolers, exercise areas, bowling alleys, yes, it happens, pools, movie theaters, etc., 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 all begin. And often, artisans for high-end builds have been consulted and possibly started on their portion of the project in their custom shops already long before this time. There is a lot happening during this phase of the project. After all the attention to detail has happened, the floor finishers come by to do any sealing and finishing of the natural finish floors. Final punch list items are completed by craftsmen with booties on their feet. The cleaning crews come through. Equipment and functional portions of the home have all been started, tested, and they are running well. Then you finally get the keys to your new palace. DK&R Designs is looking forward to helping you navigate the phases of your new custom home, and we look forward to talking with you soon. Contact us on our site and schedule your introductory meeting today.